As our community recovers together from the health and economic impacts of COVID, Washington's community and technical colleges will play a significant role in serving individuals and families in reestablishing themselves and growing their earning potential in locally relevant, high-wage, high-demand occupations. I'm Brian Davidson, Worker Training Coordinator and Career and Academic Advisor at Whatcom Community College. Like many in our community, we are working from home offices in bedrooms and in kitchens, in the same spaces where we are raising our kids and inventing new ways to connect. In these spaces, we are innovating, opening up, and reaching into our community to ensure that no one wanting to attend Whatcom Community College is left behind, because this college was built for you. We want to know who you are, what your experience is, and what you need from us to take that next step towards economic recovery through retraining at Whatcom. If you think we might be the right place for you, answer the questions below, and members of Whatcom's Workforce Recovery Team will collect them and provide you with customized information and ensure you get to meet with a human being like myself who will be there to support you from our very first meeting through graduation and on to your next career. We look forward to hearing from you. Be well, take care of yourself, take care of others.